Lewis Brass yn codi'r gicrydd i gyfeiriad Michael Wilde ar peniad a Williams ar arbediad. Wilde wastad y fygythiad gyda'i dalcen. Mae yna 48 safle'n gwahanu'r ddau glwb yma. Cei Connah'n ffefrynnau clir heddiw yma. Michael Bakare. Bakare yn croesi. Wilde yn cyrraedd! Arbediad adweithiol ar dderchog. Unwaith yn rhagor gan Gareth Williams i rwystro Michael Wilde. Bakare, gig gornel at y postyn pella. Declan Poole yn gwbl rydd ar ergyd oddi ar y llinell. Dwi'n credu allan mae Jamie Insel nath rwystro'r bêl yma. Rhag taro cefn y rhwyd. Abertyleri, maen nhw wedi curo Dinas Powys, Lucas Cwmbran, Pen Parce a allan i dloes yn y cwpan. Ac wedi cadw Cei Connah allan yr hanner cyntaf. Mae yna gyfle gwirioneddol fan hyn. Samar yn dŵl a Williams yn arbed unwaith yn rhagor. A i gyd chwaraewyr yn ddiolchgar. Dŵl ar cyfle, Williams yn arbed. Pitt ar tafliad at Owen Goodenough. James Young i fewn yn gadarn. Curtis Pitt yn codi'r bêl i fewn i'r cwrt. Mae Luke Lewis yno ar peniad dros y trawst. Ond mae chwaraewyr Abertyleri meddwl i bod hi'n gol o diar. O mi oedd hi'n agos, ond weithiau'r dathlu, mae'n parhau'n ddisgwr. Y peniad dros y trawst gan Lewis. Bakare, yr un fer at Jamie Insel. Esgellwr Twyllodrys yn curo i ddyn. Bakare'r croesiad isel, ac mae'n gwiro i gefn y rhwyd. Awr wedi chwarae yma, Cei Connah ar y blaen. Bakare ar gol, a mi ddothiodd i ar Charles Davies ar ei ffordd i fewn. Priestley Fackwson at Declan Poole. Samar yn dŵl rownd y gornel at Fackwson sydd wedi parhau ar ediad. Y croesiad gan Fackwson, ble mae hon yn glanio. Michael Wilde ar peniad. 2 gol o fewn 5 munud i Cei Connah. A dwi'n yn siŵr os oes na ffordd nôl i Abertyleri bellach. Wilde yn benderfynol o gael ei ben at honna. Lewis Brass y bêl hir, mae Howard yno, ond mae wedi cyrraedd Michael Bakare. Digon amser, codi i ben, y croesiad i gyfeiriad Jamie Insel! Ac am arbediad gan Gareth Williams, mae'n cael gêm i'w chofio heddiw yma. Callum Morris at Samar yn dŵl, da ni yn y funud ola. Christopher Penny'n gwneud i orau i faglu dŵl a mae'n parhau i fynd. A dyma Connor Howard. Howard i fewn i'r cwrt. Y bêl at dŵl. A dyna'r drydedd. Ond mi all Abertyleri fod yn falch o'i perfformiad heddiw yma. Di dal i tir am awr, ond Cei Connah'n rhy grin y pen draw.
Very proud of the lads, the effort they put in. We set a target of 20 minutes, keeping a clean sheet. To get through then to half-time was tremendous, and we kept our organisation in shape. The fitness in the end probably told, but got to the hour mark before they broke us down. They scored then. I think unlucky, a bit of a deflection from a corner, but a little bit unlucky. But to get it to the hour mark, clean sheet against an outfit like that, and you can see the difference full time. When near enough full time, the way they drilled on different set pieces, etc. And that was what broke us down, a set piece in the end. But no, very proud of the lads, the effort they put in, to be fair.
The keeper, there's a pattern developing as the game's going on, and you keep looking across at your coaches, and you're thinking, nah, it can't be, can it? Because the keeper is just pulling things out of the top drawer, balls cleared off the line, shots are going in, it's hitting our player on the way out and going wide, and you just think, because we've been in that position at Kilmarnock, and then the game can change when the luck's with you, and but I felt as time went on, with all due respect, that when the fitness level started to kick in around 55-60, we start opening them up. But then again, the keeper pulls off 2 unbelievable saves on 55 and 65. So you're thinking, but the goal was right, and it was a set play, and something that we'd worked on and we spoke about in this with back coming in from that side with his left foot, if he could step past somebody, and it worked great. But listen, incredible effort by them. It looks like the whole town's come out, and it was a magical, and I'll remember the experience because it was really good, and a great bunch of lads as well. I just been in their change room, had a chat with them, and and it was quite comical in there actually, but really great, and they're a great bunch of lads.
Well, in the first half, I made a save.
You made a few, you made more than one.
Their striker cleared one off the line for us, and you're starting to think, well, maybe today could be our day. But you've got to congratulate them. They were professional to the end. They were too strong for us in the end. So, the better team won, obviously.
Cei Connah yn ddiweddar, mae wedi ennill Cwpan Cymru, wedi bod i'r final hefyd. Ffansi rhediad bach arall yn y cwpan tymor yma?
Wel, ie, dyn ni yn yr MG Cup hefyd, a ie, bydd hi'n neis I cael final arall.
You seem to be just getting into it, starting to threaten when they got their goal as well.
Yes, that's right. We all thought we scored on the side.
Yeah, what happened?
Well, we all thought the referee give a goal, and we were all celebrating, and all of a sudden, then the goalkeeper take a quick goal kick, and they went up the other end and got the corner from it. And but like Clee said, we've got to be very proud of our boys. You know, they've been training twice a week and for 2 hours a week, that's all. And to put that effort in, they've done the town very proud today. Fair play to them.